SQL injection attacks remain a critical threat to web applications, exploiting vulnerabilities in database queries. At CyEile Technologies, we specialize in fortifying your defenses against these attacks through comprehensive security assessments and tailored remediation strategies. Our Web Application Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing, or VAPT, services meticulously analyze your application's architecture, identifying potential entry points for SQL injection and other threats. We simulate real-world attack scenarios to uncover weaknesses before malicious actors can exploit them. Additionally, our API VAPT services focus on securing your APIs, which are often overlooked yet can be gateways for SQL injection attacks. By rigorously testing your APIs, we ensure they are resilient against unauthorized access and data breaches. With CyEile Technologies, you gain a partner committed to enhancing your security posture, ensuring your applications and APIs are robust against SQL injection and other vulnerabilities.